Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So it seems Fossil is close to releasing its 6th gen smartwatches, as 3 new Fossil smartwatches has been filed with the FCC in the US couple of days ago. Credits to Gadgets and Wearables for spotting this. The models go under the moniker DW13F1, DW13F2 and DW13M1. Now the first two on the list are Fossil watches as indicated by the F present in the moniker, and as for the watch ending with M, it could be a Fossil Group sub-brand that begins with the letter M, which is Michel, or it could be Michael Kors, for whom Fossil makes licensed accessories. There are still few confusions as far as the moniker goes. In the past, the DW line meant a higher-end watch, like the Gen 5. The Fossil Sport was DW9, Gen 5 was DW10, and the Gen 5e was DW11. Unfortunately, a DW12 was turned out to be a hybrid, making the lineup confusing. We just don't know if this is a much anticipated Fossil Gen 6 or another Gen 5 variant that Fossil will slide in to kill some time and relieve their warehouses of Snapdragon Wear 3100 chips. Gen 6 will almost certainly pack the Wear 4100 processor and enhancement across the board. The new processor should enable better performance and longer space between charging. There is also mention of a 300 mAh battery. Fossil has confirmed Gen 6 watches will be compatible with Wear OS 3.0. So this is all we know right now. I know it's not much, but wait some more to get concrete evidence and more new details. So thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.